Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. Valentine's Day is coming up, so y'all already know how to roll out a Valentine's Day nail look. I am going to do my own nails, but for this left hand, as you can see, these were the nails that I had on that hand, and as you can see, it's pretty grown out. I think I had these on probably for like actually over 3 weeks. This was my birthday set, but this is what the nails are currently looking like. I do actually have a peel off base coat that I've been testing out, and so far I like it. I've been able to wear my nails more than a day. I want to say like 4 days, and then I'll be able to pop it off. But my nails are already prepped, and we're just gonna jump right in and get started with this nail look. If you guys don't know and are new to my channel, I am a lefty, so when I have to do my left hand, it's always a challenge and it's a struggle, and I always try to find easy ways out. So that's exactly what this is. I'm actually going to be doing full cover tips on this hand. These nail tips are from Not Polish. Now, I like them. I just don't like the size range that they have, but luckily I am able to find the sizes that fit my nails. So I already put those out to the side, and then here I'm just going in and I'm etching the inside with this ball cuticle bit. I used to go in with a sanding man, but I just feel like this little ball cuticle bit kind of fits perfectly inside that little groove, and I'm able to just scuff the inside, so it'll be a better adhesion, with the gel that I'm going to be using. Now, I did touch the inside of these a little bit by mistake, so I'm just going in really quick with some dehydrator just to make sure that I didn't accidentally put any oils on the inside, and then we're just going to go in with gluing them down. And if you guys have not already prepped your physical nails, this is where I will go ahead and make sure your nails are physically prepped before adding any kind of base gel and trying to glue them on. But I'm just going in with my rubber base coat, and I'm just adding a little bit to the tip, and then I do take a larger amount, and this is where I go ahead and I start lining it up with my nail and then slowly pulling it down so I don't kind of get any kind of bubbles and anything doesn't seep off to the side. And then I do go ahead and I just cure that in place. Now, like I said, I am a lefty, so I did struggle a little bit and just trying to make sure that they were fully straight on my nail. So yeah, I think my pointer was just like a little bit crooked, but we're just gonna ignore that because I didn't want to redo it. But I just go ahead and I just start gluing these down. Oh, and after I did all of these nails, after I put them all on, I did go ahead in my full size lamp and I did cure it for a full 60 seconds. This is what they are looking like on. Now, I did have a little bit of gel that kind of seeps out from these sides. So this is me going in with my 180 grit nail file and just kind of filing those little bits off around the corners. When it came to the shape itself, I did make these a little bit pointy. I kind of felt like these was more oval than stiletto. So this is me just again making sure that I have like a little bit more of a stiletto shape, and then I do go over the surface as well because it did have a little bit of glue gel on top, and I just scuff over the surface, removing any kind of shine, and then I just keep doing this until I'm happy. I wanted to go in with my hard builder gel, but I didn't want to just go straight in. I wanted to make sure that the surface of these was fully prepped. So I did go ahead again and go back in with my dehydrator, dehydrate these nails, and then I went in with my base coat. I applied a small thin layer, really kind of rubbing it in as well, and then I did fully cure this for a full 60 seconds. I just feel like this is a huge step. Sometimes when people say that their gel is separating from their nail tips, they're not physically taking all the full steps to making sure that it won't happen. So this is a huge step that I think a lot of people forget or miss when they're trying to apply gel over a full cover nail tip or even regular nail tips. So from there, this is a Simply Pink builder gel that I'm going to be using. Now, I'm not going to be building this up. I really just want this for the color, for the pigmentation, but also to strengthen the nails as well. Hard builder gel gives the nails a lot of strength. So this is me again, like I stated, this is the Simply Pink Hard Builder Gel. These are on the website. All I am doing is adding a thin layer, and I actually cure this and then I go back in with a second layer. Literally, I am just painting it on like a colored polish. I just wanted for the color, and I just wanted to add a slight little bit of strength to these nails. But once again, I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to cure that for a full 60 seconds, and then I go in with the second layer and do the same thing.
Paralyzed state of mind, still my eyes go drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, trying to find the other side, while the sky is going drip, drop, drip, drop. Love has a V, the dead is piling up, it seems. No guarantees, we'll see if it's meant to be. I beg of you, please not today. The sun's finally out, I just wanna play. I feel it in the ether, I feel it in the air, I feel it in the color, it's faded and clear. Maybe it's too hard, maybe it's too far, but I feel it in the ether, and I feel it in the air.
Before buffing any kind of nails, I do go in with my nail cleanser. I just clean the surface of these nails, removing that sticky layer from them, and then we're going to go into filing. Now, for filing, I didn't really need to do too much filing because these was already in a shape that I liked. All I had to do was really just buff over the surface just to make sure that it was a smooth surface. And as far as these buffing blocks, I do have this on my Amazon storefront, so you can go there to check that out. But these are probably my favorite buffers, honestly. But once I was happy with that, I did go ahead and I just cleansed the surface with my nail cleanser again. For the color of the nails, I decided to start off with black. And oh my god, and then I show you my new liners that I am coming out with. I am sorry, they're still in production. I know a lot of you has been asking when I'm going to be rolling out with them. I don't have a date yet. They are still in production. I apologize, but I hope soon. I kind of feel like I showed you guys way too early what I was coming out with, but I was excited about them. But anyway, so as you see here, I'm just going in and I'm just doing Frenchies. Now, I didn't want to start off my Valentine's Day set with the normal pink and red. And I really just wanted to do something different. And, you know, I felt like black was like the perfect color to choose from. Not a lot of people think of black when they think of Valentine's Day sets. So that's what I wanted to do. But I also wanted it to be really pretty and classy and just like girly in the same time. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know, but I'm just going in, I'm doing my Frenchies, and doing this took so long. I'm a lefty, so you guys already know it was hard doing, I don't know, I just feel like it was just a challenge. So I did take out my little nail stands, and that helped me a lot, holding my fingers steady and just trying to do these little Frenchies. But once I did this, I did go ahead and I did a full cure for 60 seconds. I did skip that ring nail because I wanted that nail to be a little bit special. Once I did that, I did go in with my shiny no wipe top coat, and I did a layer of this all over the surface. And again, I did a full cure for 60 seconds. Now, I took out Macart's acrylic. It's not acrylic, it's like their dip powder. This is Noor. And I wanted to do hearts on the ring nail, and then you're gonna see me do some on the other nails as well. But for this ring nail, I wanted this nail to be fully covered in hearts in different sizes and like angles, and you'll see I kind of try to make it fit like a puzzle. But I took out this dotting tool, and this dotting tool really helped me create that heart. I did 2 little dots, and that ended up just helping me so much create the heart. But I kept doing this along that whole nail. I didn't cure it. I ended up pouring the powder on top because I wanted these to be a matte look. Oh my god, and it worked out so perfectly. But you're gonna see after I pour it, I did go ahead and I did a full cure for 60 seconds. But you're gonna see me continue doing this, adding my little hearts, pouring the powder on top, curing it, and then you're gonna see me again do some on the little Frenchies as well. Another thing I wanted to share was that I do have a new Instagram account. It is called LGM Pro. So please go to Instagram, follow me on that page if you haven't followed me already. This is where I'll be posting content about the website, when we having new sales, when I am launching new products, if we do any kind of pre-orders, giveaways, any kind of information also about products. It's all going to be on that Instagram account, and I'll kind of try to make it a little bit more interactive as well. So again, please go ahead, follow that page. Also, if you tag it, you're gonna get reposted as well, if of course it is LGN Pro products. But yeah, I'll actually have that linked in the description box as well.
I just wanna, I just wanna, I just wanna. Truth is, I just wanna. Truth is, I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up the truth is, I just wanna, I just wanna, I just wanna. Truth is, I just wanna.
You guys already know it is bling time. I ended up finding this heart in my drawer. Honestly, I don't even know where I got it from. I ended up taking out some caviar beads as well as these pink crystals. This is from the Bling It box. This is tanzanite and light rose, I believe. I took out my Bling It no wipe rhinestone gel. I took the back part of my tool, and this is where I'm going to start going in and start blinging these nails out. And I really tried to keep it really simple. I didn't want the bling to overpower it. I just wanted to make it cute. But you're gonna see I ended up adding to the cuticle the pink stones, and I stayed with the smaller stones as well. But once I did this, I did go ahead and I just cured that in place.
All my feels, we can take in the sun. I think it'd be fun, even if it rains tomorrow.
And this is the final look, you guys. After I did these nails, I kept staring at it. I washed my hands. I looked at it again. I started cleaning up. I started looking at my hands again. Like, I couldn't stop staring at my hands. I felt like it was so cute. They're so short to me. You guys know I love me my long nails, but I think they're so pretty, and just the look of it, it's really classy. It's really pretty. It's Valentine's Day, but with black, which I love. Yeah, my nail is a little bit crooked, the pointer, but we're gonna ignore that. But let me know what you guys think of this look. I'm sorry I couldn't post this Saturday, but I'm going to make it up to you guys. I'm going to try to post a little bit more. But yeah, this is my very first Valentine's set for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, recreate it. Please tag me so I can see all your nail looks, and then I will repost, especially if you're using my LGN Pro product. But again, I appreciate every single one of you. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys out there, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.
So